In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up store pages and add collections to individual pages in Wix. The easy way. We'll start inside your Wix account. Head to My Sites in your account dashboard, then choose the site you want to work on and click Select and Edit Site. That opens the dashboard for the chosen site and gets you ready to set up your store structure. Next, open your store settings by going to your catalog, then into Categories. This is where you organize the products you'll later display on specific pages. Click New Category. Give your category a clear name that your customers will recognize, and, if you like, add a short description and an image to make it stand out on your site. Keep the name simple and consistent with your navigation. When you're done, click Save to lock it in. You can repeat this process for any other categories you plan to showcase on their own pages. Now jump into the editor. Open the Site's Pages panel and choose Add Page. From the options, select Store, then click See Your Store Pages. This shows the store page templates available to you and helps ensure the page you add is connected to your store. From here, open Store Pages and choose Category Page. This page automatically displays products based on the categories you select, so it's perfect for building focused collection pages without manual product placement. On the category page, click the Product Gallery or Product widget to open its settings. Look for the category controls and select Manage Categories. This is where you decide which collections appear on this page. Choose the categories you want to feature. Selecting 2, for example, is great for a combined highlight page, and confirm your choices. The page will immediately update to reflect those categories. When everything looks good, click Publish to push your changes live. If you want to double-check the result, use the Site Preview or open the live site to see how the page behaves for visitors. A few quick tips to polish your setup. Rename your new page to match the collection it showcases and add it to your site menu so visitors can find it easily. If your products don't appear, make sure they're assigned to the categories you selected in the catalog. You can create multiple category pages following the exact same flow to build a complete, easy-to-navigate store. And don't forget to check the page on mobile. Adjusting spacing and the number of items per row can significantly improve the shopping experience. That's it. The easy way to set up store pages and add collections to individual pages in Wix.